What's up, ranchers? Back in another video. Today we're working on something pretty cool. It is a custom road sign. It's going to help promote my business, Pelican Ranch CNC. It's going to have obviously my company name on it and things I do like 3D CAD work, custom fabrication, obviously making custom signs, trailer add-ons, now anyone that anything you can think of. Right now I got the 4x4 14 gauge sheet laid on my table, and then also we're building a frame for this, a 4x4 frame. Lay that sheet on top there to help it make stronger. And then we're going to make another video. We're going to do a lighting system for this so we keep it backlit. So keep an eye out for the next video and let's get started. Alright guys, just finished up doing the sign as you guys just saw. Finished the sign, and then I took our square tubing, cut it down to 4-foot lengths, 45'd it so you can make 90s, and just build a box frame. So nothing too difficult. I did bevel the edges so I can put my bead down and it will go in the metal and not sit on top. Clean the metal up obviously. Weld it. I'll do a little time lapse of me doing that. And yeah, get into that. Alright, it's fully welded now, and even though these welds are nice and smooth on here, yes, that was 2,000 degrees I just tried to touch. Even though they're nice and smooth on here, I still need to get them flush because I'm going to lay the sheet metal down, but that's why I beveled them, so I'm at least still grabbing the metal on the other side. And yeah, I'm going to get these grind down and I'll cut to the next shot. Alright guys, I got the sign tacked down, lined up. Before that, I had to clean all the little slag off of it, but I got it tacked down now, squared up frame to it. And yeah, we're gonna tack all the edges down, make our beads, and weld it down, and then that'll be it for this side. Then I'll be having the pre-drill. I'll do it in the next video, or maybe the video, I'm not sure yet. I'll have the pre-drill little holes for self-tapping screws to put the back plate onto this, and then we're also gonna have to make a little drill plate for the bottom of this. So this sign will go on the ground. It'll be like one of those Pelican scratchers I built. Screw it down to the ground, and then this will bolt on top, so in case I ever need to remove this, I can just easily unbolt it. And yeah, so I'll cut to a shot of me doing the time lapse now.
Kick.
Alright everyone, that's the ending for this first video of me cutting out the sign, welding it up, and squaring up the frame. Yeah, right before I hop off, I wanted to do a little CAD overview, show you what I did, and some of the things I ran into and I had problems with. So yeah, let's get into it. Here I got my drawing laid out, same thing that got cut out on the side. And as you can see here, I did this in Canva first. I wrote it all out, put my Pelican here, And then I transfer over to Inkscape, which allows me to turn it into a 3D object and put padding behind it, which then in turn I can bring it to Fusion CAD, where it can read this, turn it into a sketch, and then turn it into a 3D object, as you can see. This part right here is I actually ended up having to get rid of it because it was too small. All my spacings are 4 millimeters apart for my bridging, so it holds all my letters. That's for at least my machine what I'd recommend. And then I put my little border background here to see how far my plasma cutter will cut up on this side. You can see Pelican Write CNC needs to be cut out as a separate piece. And on top of that, I want to have 2-inch borders on here because my square tubing is 1.5 inches. So I wanted enough room to put my beads on the welding without keeping it on top of my letters, as one would. Then right here you can see I cut it off. I forgot to do it on this one, but my letters right here, I got those cut off as well. There's my border background that I use. And then here's the top part. And as you guys seen before, all I do is go to manufacturing, do my setup process, which helps the program read what each letter wants it to do. And cutting is just specifying the cut path, the simulation, and then my post-processing, which is what turns this file into the code that my my CNC machine can read, which is a .cnc code. So yeah, I appreciate you guys watching the video, and keep an eye out for the next one for when we do the lighting and install process. See ya.